Nutty.
Smell like no garbage. Yeah, man. Huh? Say what? My game don't be that good. What don't be that good? Yeah, man. So we got Derry out here. Yeah. Waiting on. Like this, man. Take the cover and toss. Down the road. We supposed to done had times where today's supposed to be car day though. Yeah. You already see all these cars we got there. You hear the Mustang coming. I think he can do nothing crazy, but car nice.
Huh? I got some trouble.
Back with the boys. They didn't just see that we ain't need to do no explanation of who is who no more because if you're an OG subscriber, you're supposed to know what's going on. Yeah, man. Yeah. But yeah, man. We're gonna run a mission today. We can't tell you what that mission is, but hopefully in the future y'all can know what the mission is that we run this morning. Yeah, so we can let y'all know. Me and Darren run one. Maybe we link up with Nate Dog to get more footage on the Mustang and the Trackhawk and that. I know what else is going on today. We might do some more bike stuff or whatever else. They do a lot of hand motion to this because I like it. But yeah, the weather looking sad right now. But the bike underneath his house, so really, I don't know. We can find out else. Yeah, man. That's outside. It's outside with this guy. We're needing. Don't pull in the Trackhawk, boy. Don't pull in the Trackhawk, boy. There, you want to see him pulling the Trackhawk, right? Yeah. Let me see him pulling the Trackhawk, man.
Hey, I was thinking about doing that Grand Cherokee. The ones like this.
Wow.
I know this ain't the Grand Cherokee, yeah, I know. But I mean, one similar to this body style.
Yeah.
But the Hemi
Inside the, yeah.
like,
Carry on route after that.
SRT8, that's what they call it.
0 to 16 eventually.
Yeah, I had 60 when I'm playing B-boy.
Oh, wow. That's what that is. Knock him down 100 points. You don't want him in.
Hey, he ain't got no gas in you.
Oh. You don't e-bias.
That light ain't on.
Dude, that's why.
That light on.
You don't know. It was on before, it on now.
It was on before.
Well, so you just one of those guys. Okay. Anyway, guys, you can talk to y'all in a minute. That's a bad one, wait. So we got the Cobra's Frankenstein right now. There you got the Cobra's Frankenstein right now.
Yeah, man.
Putting in some hardcore work on this car. So you won't see it on the road for now. That's okay.
I just want to see what I can recommend.
Yeah, y'all can see what's going on. Y'all can see what's going on. Nice. Yeah, man. About to get some other stuff done. You guys be back at Nate Dog House. We sending on the bike today. Might hit it with some of that white spreader we got over there. So we're going try see if we could get this bike to one call out. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Maybe that's some high quality paint they got on there.
Telling you. Maybe some right sandy.
Yeah. You see?
Like
Yeah, bro, yeah. That's the ugly. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We can talk to y'all in a minute. Hardware. Now.
Yeah, for real, try.
But spray up there when you do right.
Relax, bro.
We can use that for primer and now for another cool on that.
That's it. Too much overspray. Too much
Cool.
overspray. Overspray, bro.
They spraying over here, boy. This thing won't do it.
It look good though.
So just spray everything then. You don't need to spend it down.
Let it dry.
Let it dry. Because you done overspray.
That day.
Yeah.
Yeah, spray. Pass it. You're doing garbage.
I was. Let me catch you.
I ain't got no spray. I barely spraying.
Let us know in the comments, guys. Which one look better? This beautiful plastic or that? Overspray king, dog. You know, so just clean the bike.
Put one clear coat on it.
Put one clear coat on it,
You
and then
know how it
oh, yeah, man. Cause I think, nah, I see how it's sitting decent. Oh God, the bush boy.